Okay. All right, welcome back today. I am going to be working on this stuff still. I didn't get as far as I'd hoped. I need to get some pieces to fill in here and then come down, and then I'll have to weld the seam. Both sides will get done. So, I guess let's just get after it. Hope you guys enjoy this little video, and let me start my time lapse. That's it. All right, so I think I got some footage, but I think the footage might not have worked. The camera just says there's no video. That being said, I had some really good footage of this. I got this whole thing welded. It's removable and put backable. So, might be a really short video, but I got it welded, got it fit. We should be good. I don't know if I have any footage for you, but now you can see. Let's get a good shot of this. So, back to me. So I hope you enjoy my video, and at least I got something done. See you next time. Have fun.